Our ocean is the biggest ecosystem of our planet. Home to millions of species and sustaining indirectly 1 out of 2 human lives, the ocean sequestered 30% of our annual CO2 emissions and regulates at 95% the excess heat in the atmosphere. Yet, the most precious gift of our planet is in crisis. Due to overfishing, resources depletion and global warming, 40% of coral reefs have already disappeared. It is still time to make the change and to save our ocean. Tēnaka is a social business whose mission is to regenerate the ocean. We are restoring the reefs that provide shelter to 1/3 of marine biodiversity worldwide, attracting species back to these places to help them thrive once again. We work with corporations, scientists, local NGOs and communities to make coral reef restoration a reality. To achieve our mission, we are thrilled to have Orange Business as our technology partner. The company has given us its expertise, its people, and an ecosystem of partners such as Netscope and Microsoft. Together with our own partner UK Lab, they have created a solution that collects, transmits, and automatizes data to enhance our impact assessments, helping to digitize marine biodiversity research. Thanks to an underwater camera taking pictures every few seconds and an Orange-enabled 4G module connecting it to the cloud, we benefit from near real-time data from the coral reef. The AI algorithm Orange created processes these images and automatically identifies a number of species that came back to the reef. And this makes a huge difference for us, both in terms of new data we will have access to, but also in terms of operational efficiency, freeing the time of our divers to regenerate more coral reefs. I am Anne-Sophie, the founder of Tēnaka, and together we are making a huge difference. This is technology for good, and it is just the beginning.
Orange Business.